Most people get this wrong when searching for Varo cash advance limits. They assume everyone gets the same amount. But that's not how cash advance features typically work. Here's the truth no one tells you. The amount you can access often depends on your account activity, eligibility, and banking history. Not just the app itself. In this video you'll learn how Varo's cash advance feature works in 2026, what affects your eligibility, how much you may be able to get, and the biggest mistake to avoid when using it. Let's get straight into it. Varo offers a cash advance feature designed to help eligible customers access funds before their next payday. Depending on eligibility requirements and account history, users may qualify for different advance amounts. The key word here is eligible. Not every customer receives the same limit. For example, imagine Alex recently opened a Varo account and has only been using it for a short time. His available advance amount may be different from Jake, who has been receiving regular direct deposits into his account for several months. That's because account history often plays an important role. But here's the problem. Many people focus only on the maximum amount they see advertised. This is where most people fail. They assume they'll automatically qualify for the highest limit available. In reality, advance amounts often depend on factors such as direct deposit activity, account standing, transaction history, and eligibility requirements, determined by the provider. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the best ways to improve your chances of qualifying for higher limits over time is maintaining consistent account activity. Think about it like this. If John receives regular paychecks through direct deposit and actively uses his account for everyday banking, the system has more information to evaluate his eligibility than someone who rarely uses the account. That's a small insight that many users overlook. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make with cash advances. Before that, it's important to understand what a cash advance is designed for. A cash advance is generally intended as a short-term solution for unexpected expenses or temporary cash flow gaps. For example, a car repair, utility bill, or emergency purchase. Now here's the mistake. Many people start treating cash advances as extra income. That's dangerous because future paychecks may need to cover both regular expenses and advance repayments. Over time, that can create a cycle that's difficult to break. The bottom line is simple. The amount you can get through Varo Cash Advance in 2026 depends on your eligibility, account activity, and banking history. Some users may start with lower limits, while others may qualify for higher amounts based on their relationship with the platform. The key takeaway is to use cash advances as temporary financial tools, not long-term solutions. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more banking and financial app reviews, and let me know in the comments what feature you want me to cover next.